Hello everyone, let's see week 8, question 3. In this question, your job is to print out the content of a two-dimensional array clockwise, like spiral. So you will be given the size of the matrix and you start from position 0, 0 and clockwisely output everything inside this matrix. So that's dealing with the input first. So integer n and scan d and n. Okay, and the matrix map. Okay, make. Okay, let me see. I don't know the size, so I will give him a huge number, thousand. Okay, and I use J and K to control the for loop. For J to 0, J less than N, J plus plus. For K 0, N K plus plus, scanf, G, and map JK. Okay. Okay. Let me see how I can solve this. Okay, I'm going to use a smart way to solve this. So I'm going to create another array. It's a two-dimensional array. It's called direction, dir. It's a 4 by 2 array, and giving the initial value will be what 0, 1 and 1, 0 and 0 and -1 and -1, 0. Okay, like this. Okay, then let's use a for loop plus. Okay, and I need another 4 variable to make sure the boundary. Okay, the up boundary, we set it. Okay, the up boundary, but but the but and the left and right. Okay, I set it to the up, set the up to 0 and set the left to 0 and but to what? To n and right to n to n. No, n-1. Okay, that's it. Okay, then print the. Okay, I need two variables to keep track of the current position x and y, and I need initial x to 0 and y to 0, and I need another variable d represent the current direction. So d set to 0 and display the first number map yx. Okay, and if if what? If 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 x with direction, current direction d 1 is x control the left and right, so it's greater or equivalent to left, and x at direction d 1 is more or equivalent to the right, and y d 0 is greater or equivalent to up, and y d 0 is or less equivalent to the but. If so, no, I'm wrong. If this is not happening, and I will set d to d plus 1 and modular by 4, and set new x to x plus dir d1 and y set y plus dir d0. What? I'm not sure what I'm doing. So I get wrong answer. It's absolutely I get wrong answer. Okay, let me make sure. X Y X Y X Y X is greater and X is smaller than right, and oh, I need to modify the boundary. I need to modify the boundary. If d is 0, then up plus. If d is 1, then right minus. If d is 2, then but minus. And if d is 3, then left plus. And yeah, see, I get a set. I'm using this two-dimensional array to control the direction. The first direction is move to the right. The second direction is move to the down, and move to left, and move to up. Okay, then I calculate the boundary. If I'm out of the boundary, then I change my direction. And every time I change my direction, I need to modify the boundary. And that's it. I don't need to use too many for loop. I just use one for loop and use a two-dimensional array to control the direction. And then I can solve this problem. That's week A, question 3.